all the way up in my bedroom, and my truck's parked across the street. And I went on the app on my phone, and the Underglow works from this far away. It's just a Bluetooth receiver. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. I'm Tyler Fikes. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. We're about halfway there, really trying to get to 1,000 sometime soon. Anyways, the point of today's video is I put Underglow on my truck. They were having a sale on Instagram or whatever, like they always are. And it was a 4-piece Bluetooth RGB rock light set. And it was super easy, so I installed it all myself in the garage, wired it all up. And anyways, I want to show you guys at night, so I'm gonna put that in at the end after this. But in the daylight, like it is now, it's kind of a cloudy day, but it's still light out, so I have enough time. So I wanted to show you guys the wiring in the daytime, and then once it gets nighttime, I'll come back out with the camera, video that, edit that, and then the video will go live. So you'll see what it looks like at night towards the end of the video, but for now, I'm gonna go under the truck, show you where all the wires are, show you where the lighting goes, and show you the screenshot of it's controlled by my phone, so I'll show you how I use it and everything, and how it looks. And it is illegal to drive with, so I can't drive with it on, even though it would look really cool. I might get some cool pictures with it sometime, like on a road shot, but you can't drive with it. You'll get a ticket for that, and it draws a lot of attention to the truck, just not something you want to drive with. I mean, I would if it was legal, but it's illegal, so can't drive with it. Anyways, let's go under the truck and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, I got my truck in the garage for a little bit better lighting, and I have one in all 4 wheel wells. You can see it's right there, and the front, I like the mounting better than the back. It's not great lighting, but just the way the rubber fits into the plastic, it looks almost stock, and the lighting's not good, so it's kind of getting blurry. But I will show you guys them on in a little bit, and you can see right there what they look like. Just have 3 little LEDs in them, and then there was a rubber gasket I mounted, and then so it lights all this up. I'll show you, we have one in each corner, so that's the front. There's the one in the back and on the other side. And so what I did for the wiring is I ran it inside the fender, so you can't even see it if you're just looking at the truck. It comes down, goes in, they all run under the cab and meet up right there, and I had to run 1 wire to ground and 1 wire into the engine for constant power. And then this box right here is operated by Bluetooth, so I just turn it on with my phone and I pick any color I want. I'll show you guys the screen that I use on the phone right here. And so that is the wiring setup. I will show you guys what it looks like in the daylight, which it's not really bright at all. You can see I have it on. And I'll show you guys what it looks like in the dark, so you can really you can see what it looks like a lot brighter at night. Anyways, that's what it looks like in the daylight. There are all the wires, and then I will come back out at night. You guys will see that in a couple seconds. I'll show you what it looks like in the dark, and I'll go through different color changing stuff. But anyways, I'll see you guys at that. Alright guys, it is finally dark enough to do the underglow of the video. I've been waiting for a while. It gets dark like at 8 o'clock now in the year, which is awesome. I totally love that. But now it's dark enough. I'm gonna start the underglow, and then we're gonna go through and turn every single light on the truck on, see how bright the whole thing is, because it is crazy bright. So here it is with the underglow. This is actually the white setting, and it shows up a lot more pinky red on the phone than it does in person. In person, it's a lot more white, but you can see it's just 3 LEDs up in there, red, green, and blue, and it just turns them all on to get the white, which looks a lot more white in person. I don't know why the camera picks up on this color a lot more. But anyways, the way I have this set up is I can have it with the truck locked, keys out of it, and I'm gonna try this in my bedroom looking at the street at the end of the video, or maybe I'll put it at the beginning of the video, but I'm gonna try that and see how far away it works. But like right now, my keys aren't in the truck, the doors are locked, truck's off, nothing's on. I wired this straight to the battery, so I can run these at any time just off the Bluetooth connection on my phone, And I'm gonna switch through a couple different colors here, show you guys that. So this one here is just gonna bleed through all the colors really quick, give you a feel for every color that it makes. And they do show up a little bit different on the camera than in person, I don't know why. Something to do with the camera resolution, how it picks stuff up, but you guys can see it makes all different colors. It looks really cool. I like the look of it. It looks awesome driving down the road at night, but like I said, you cannot drive with this on the road at night. It is illegal, and I don't know if that's just California rules or if that's everywhere rules, but you can see it's putting a good light on the ground, and it's still kind of bright out, and we have this annoying street light right here. Lights up the whole suspension. Say you're going to a car show. Yeah, that's the brightest one. Turn them on. Show off the upper control arms and the shocks. And the paint job. This one looks really mean. I like the look of that. I'll have to get a roller shot of it sometime with me driving down the road. You know what? I'm gonna do that really quick. At the end of showing you all the colors, I'm gonna drive right by there with the lights on. So that'll be after I do the outro. You guys will see that. Stick around for it. Anyways, let's go to my favorite one right here. That's right, we can do flash and red and blues. With this app, you can make any color setting you want. It pretty much does every color just with a different blend of the 3 primary colors. And you can set it to do whatever you want, flash at whatever speed, change between whatever color. So it's a really cool app, really cool rock light set, and it was pretty inexpensive. And I could see if you got 2 kits, maybe doing 2 lights in each wheel well, make it a lot brighter. But what it is now, it's cool. I like it. It's fun to play with when I can. Like I said, can on the street. But anyways, I am now gonna start turning on all the lights that I have. So one, we will first, let's get the inside lit up. Got those super bright map lights. One up there. Oh, if we're doing all the lights, gotta do this one too. Get the blue one in there going. And now we will start over here with that's my sub. With that one, that powers the LED cubes looking that way. We'll come over here, we'll get this on, and that just keeps the door lights on when I shut the doors and the ones on the mirror that you will see. We got the cargo lamp that does behind the truck, and we of course have to turn these on all the way. That beeping is gonna be annoying. Turn the light bar on that I actually wired into my fog light. Really proud of that, how it turned out. So it uses a stock button to turn my fog light on and off. And I think that makes it all the lights. We got the one on the ground right there that I paired with this. So when I did my mirrors, I messed up on that one pair that you guys saw previously. So I took the mirror light out and put it up in there. Wired that in myself on the same light as that. So the light bar runs off the left side fog light, and then that thing runs off the right side fog light wiring. We have my tinted headlights that don't put out much light anyways, even though they have upgraded bulbs. Just the tint really hides it, and it is like daylight in here. Nice American Forces, if you want them, hit me up. And then of course we have the underglow that we've been talking about. We have the inside the cab lights. We have the mirror lights that are also crazy bright. Underglow in the back. LED cubes. We can turn on a couple more right here. Hang on. I thought I was forgetting something. Had to turn it in reverse, and then those and the strip come on. So we got the cubes, the strip, the LED. It's in there, and then we have this. I put the LED light to light up my license plate, which is since I have the tinted cover. Hopefully that prevents me from ever getting in trouble with the tinted cover. The brighter light, and then we have that was the cargo light that you can do from the inside of the cab, which really isn't all that bright, but I guess it's meant to light up the bed or something. And so that is with all the lights on. And keep in mind, there are no lights on in the garage. I made sure to unplug everything, even the sensor one, that way it wouldn't come on when I'm walking around. So all that light in there is coming from the truck. And man, this thing, it's like a UFO. It's super bright. Like, it's dark out and it's lighting up the neighbor's house. And wow, that is bright. I'd love to go down the road like this, but you just can't. But, like I said, gonna do it real quick at the end of the video for you guys. All right, guys, it's so bright, I gotta wear my American flag sunglasses that I am selling anywhere in the lower 48 states, shipped. $15. Email is always below, hit me up if you want a pair. Anyway, so that is gonna do it for the video, except for the part at the end. Like I said, where I'm going to drive down this street, which you guys will see in a couple seconds, with the underglow and stuff on, just so you can get a feel for how it looks going down the road, which don't ever do if you put this on your truck. It's illegal, like I've said many times, even though it looks really cool. Anyways, that is all the lights on my truck. I just put the underglow on, figure make a video off of that, and the underglow relates to lighting on the truck in general. This is really bright. Anyways, thought I'd go over all the lights on my truck, just kind of show how bright everything is. Thought it'd be a cool video, especially with the underglow, and unfortunately I didn't video any of the install or getting the package of the underglow, but I still showed you guys everything that's on there. Looks cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Anyways, if this is your first time stopping in, please subscribe. We're on the road to 1,000. We're getting closer every day, and we have a ton more content coming on the channel. We got the white Duramax that is right here, red Power Stroke, old K20, my truck, and eventually I want to get another K20, so that's just a quick little update on the channel. All the stuff we got going on. We have a ton of content coming, and a ton new projects on all the trucks happening all the time, and I try to post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and this video is going to be a little later coming out than usual because I had to wait until it got dark out to make the rest of the video. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Like I said, if this is your first time stopping in, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.